Good day everyone, my name is Shinbin Gasipong and welcome to my vlog, A Day as a E-Commerce Explorer. The purpose of this vlog is to explore one of the most popular e-commerce platform and learn how it's helped people buy and sell products online. Today, I will be exploring Shopee because it's one of the most widely used in the online shopping platform in the Philippines. As you can see on my screen, Shopee has a simple and user-friendly design. At the top of the page, there is a search bar that allows users to quickly find the products they are looking for. Below the search bar, there are different products categories such as electronics, fashion and beauty products, home essentials, groceries, toys, sports, equipments, and many more. This makes it easier for customers to browse and find the items they need. The products that caught my attention are wireless earbuds and smartphone, sneakers and clothing because they have attractive discounts, thousands of customer reviews and high ratings. Before buying products, customer can read reviews, review real photos uploaded by the buyers, and compare price from the different seller. This feature helps shoppers make better decisions and avoid buying low quality products. Shopee provides different payment methods to make shopping convenience. Customer can pay using GCash on delivery or code GCash, debit or credit card, online banking, and other available digital payment options. For delivery, Shopee works with a different couriers service, and customer can choose standard or express delivery depending what is available in their area. Next, I watched a YouTube video about e-commerce. From the video, I learned that e-commerce allows business to reach more customer because they can sell their products online instead for relying on only on physical stores. I also learned that online shopping is available 24 hours a day, making it more convenient for busy people. Another important lesson is that customer trust is very important. Sellers should provide quality products, honest description, and good customer service to receive positive review and build a good reputation. That is the end of my vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something about e-commerce together with me. Have a wonderful day and God bless everyone.